Kelly D, and today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite sauces. Now, if you like Chinese cuisine, you will know that there are so many sauces that they use to elevate the taste of a dish, especially a deep fried dish. Now, my favorite is sweet and sour sauce. So today I'm going to share with you how to make sweet and sour sauce Bajan style. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now you can use white sugar if you want, but I'm going to use brown sugar today. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This really makes a difference for me. If you have regular vinegar, you can use that, but I recommend apple cider vinegar. 1 pinch of salt, or about 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 cup of ketchup. Finely minced, really finely minced. 1 teaspoon of finely minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of finely minced ginger. This really makes a difference with our dish. If you don't have a knife that you can mince it really finely, you can use a garlic mincer, because it's important that you have this really finely minced. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 drops of red food dye. This is a really easy recipe. Now, over a low heat, we're going to add all of our ingredients together. Then we'll allow them to cook for about 2 minutes. This smells amazing. I wish you could smell it from here. Now everything is boiling vigorously. We would have just gone ahead and we mixed up our cornstarch and our water. We call it a slurry. So now we're going to add it to our sweet and sour sauce to thicken it, because it's important that it be nice and thick. And we will allow this to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then we are almost done. Our sauce is really thickening up. It smells good. It looks great. Now our final ingredient is to add 2 drops of our food color, red. And once you see a red sauce, you automatically know it's sweet and sour sauce. Our sauce is done. Beautiful, gorgeous, perfect. You can use it either hot or cold, and it really elevates the taste of any fried dish. Just look at that texture, nice and thick, and you're seeing all the little bits and pieces of the ginger and the garlic, which is going to give an incredible bite to whatever you dip this sauce into. Now I just allowed it to cool for a little bit. Now it's time to taste. So good, so well balanced. Not too much sweetness, not too much of the sourness that you would get from the apple cider vinegar. And because we use apple cider vinegar, it has its own sweetness because of the apple. Sweet and sour sauce, Bajan style. Now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this sweet and sour recipe, I want you to look over here. See another recipe I did using sweet and sour sauce. And once you've watched that, just click the button below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.